Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your earnings on the Fiverr app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Fiverr app. So I'm going to click on this app here. So as you can see now, simply we are open here. So as you can see, you will be able to see your earnings here, like you are available for withdrawal and your average selling price and the payment being cleared. You can see that, and you will be able to see those payments here which are in clearing. And after that, earning in December, active orders and cancelled orders. If you want to check out the full earning details or the analytics, you have to click on this icon, and then simply we have to go to the earnings option. And after going to the earnings option, as you can see, you will be able to see your all earnings here, like earning in December, average, active, available for withdrawal, completed, payment being cleared, and these all details are provided here. You can check each and everything. So in this way, you can check your earnings on the Fiverr. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.